Hi everybody! Controlling the layers properties quickly by shortcuts is very useful and saves a lot of time. If you want to move the star to the left or to the right or up and down, you can do this simply by the arrows. You can click the left or right arrow up and down. If you want, this arrows nudge the layer to the left, to the right, up and down. If you want it to move larger space, you can click shift while nudging left, right, up and down. If you want to rotate the layer very quickly, you can simply click plus or minus to rotate the layer. If you want to rotate the layer in 1 degree increment, if you want it to jump 10 degrees increments, you can click shift then plus or minus. If you want to adjust the scale, you can click alt and plus or minus. If you click shift alt, it increases or decreases the scale in bigger degrees. In fact, controlling the layer properties from the keyboard helps you to save a lot of time opening the layer, twirl down the property and then changing the value of it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.